recording Lachlan.
His
first hearing aid with sound.
Hello, darling. Hello, Lachlan. Here we go. Well, hello.
Oh, darling.
Oh, darling.
Oh.
He's listening.
Hi.
Gorgeous.
Oh,
look.
Hi.
He's smiling.
Lachlan. Hello. Hello,
Oh,
darling.
look. He's smiling. He's smiling.
I told you it's not
darling.
so bad once you see their
Hi
response.
there.
He's smiling,
Oh,
sweetheart.
isn't that
Sorry,
lovely?
Alice.
Yeah. Hello, darling.
Oh, darling.
Hello. You're smiling. Can you hear?
Amazing.
Isn't it amazing?
Hi.
Now I'm
Hi.
just going to clap, make sure it's not too loud. Ready, Lachlan? See how he blinks a little bit? But he stops, so
He stopped his, it's okay.
it's not too loud. And he's not blinking when we talk.
Yeah, boy, darling.
Yes. Hi there.
It was a reaction, wasn't it, when the hearing aids came on?
When they stop like that, they're listening.
Yeah. How gorgeous.
And what a nice
What a
smile.
big difference, isn't it?
So it's never too young.
Oh, there's a smile.
Okay, can you turn him around and I'll just cut the tube.